Again, this is the same night that I did the pink partial unboxing, and I've got my Birchbox unboxing. And yes, I know it's not a box, it's in a bag, because I think they've done it because it's Christmas. Well, it will soon be Christmas. So, it's good. Oh, I think Morgan's coming in here. Oh no, she's probably going to just go into the toilet actually. Pardon me. So yeah, it's really, really nice. It's silky. No, it's not silk, is it? It's no, it's not satin. It is silk, yeah, what am I talking about? No, it's velvet, it's velvet. What am I talking about? I don't even know. And then this bit's leather. And it says Birchbox on it. Oh, nice. And then there's gold glitter. And it looks really, really pretty. Yeah, darn it, one thing. Sorry, Morgan came in. So annoying. Anyway, so it looks like that. It's really, really nice. And the first thing I can see... Oh, wait a minute, I'll get the thing out. Is Skin and Co. Roma Ultra Conditioning Shower Gel with Organic Silicon Orange and Olive Extracts. Silicon Body Gel. Wherever that is. In here. Oh, there we go. So it's basically just shower gel. Let's smell it. It's alright. It's very floral, I think. But it's orange. You know what I mean? It's, I don't know, maybe it's the olive extracts. Yeah, I think it's the olive extracts that makes it like that. Then I will show you the next thing that I actually just realised that I had a peek before I started filming again, and I saw this here, and this is Benefit, because I know the picture. I was like, yeah, I don't even have to see the name there, but it's Benefit, and I don't know how you open it. I think you open it at the back here. It says exclusively for Birchbox, and I'm kind of ruining the packaging, but I don't know how to open it. Yeah, that is right actually. And it has Puff Off, which is an instant eye gel to help smooth the look of puffies. So I'll definitely be using that because my eyes have been really, really puffy and like dark circles and stuff. But anyway, so that's good. I love Benefit stuff, so trying the samples is great. Then this here is, whoa, I want to actually open this. Then this is their real push-up liner, and it's a little small oh my goodness, that is like so cute. I've actually got a push-up liner, but it's in green, so that's good. If that means I've got like a black one, so that's good. Obviously it's only a sample, so it'll not last as long as the other, but still cute and cool at the same time. Really, really cute. You can put it in like a little small makeup bag and stuff. Like if I had a Zoella one, then it would be really, really good, you know, just put it in that. Or you could just put it in here. Yeah, I'll just put that in the rubbish and put it in here. Oh. Okay, I can't actually put it back in there, by the way. It's alright. Actually, I will put it in here again. So that's cute. Then the next thing is Embryolisse. I don't know how to pronounce it. Embryolisse Laboratories? I don't have a clue. But it's all in a foreign language. What is it? It says, take a peek inside any makeup artist's kit and you'll find a tube of this cult classic. It's... I don't know. Oh! Oh no, it's not. I don't exactly know what it's for. I think it might be like a moisturizer kind of thing. But it also says, after cleansing, apply a small amount to face and neck. And then it says, top tip, this makes a great makeup primer too. So I might just use it as a makeup primer. We'll see. So, yeah, I think I might just use it as a... Oh, it does say moisturising cream. Milky makeup remover. Repairing mask. Aftershave cream. Baby care product. Okay. But I still might use it as a makeup primer as well. Anyway. Then the next thing is... Where is it? Oh, this is the bonus. Wait a minute. I'll show you the other two. Oh, that's so cute. I've got a Ciate London mini nail polish. So that's 2 nail polishes I've had today. And this is in the shade Blizzard. And it looks like that. It's like black, glittery. Cool. I'll definitely put that on. Not today or tomorrow, but soon. Maybe as like an accent nail, but anyway. I'm so tired. And then the next thing is a Model Co. Lipstick. And this is ultra long lasting lipstick. And the shade is Stiletto. And it looks like a red. I haven't opened it yet, but it looks like a red at the bottom there. Oh, what would help? Keep on looking at that, pointing it to my iPad. No, you can't really tell, but I'll show you and possibly swatch it. Maybe I do. Did I just break? Oh my goodness, it's broken. Yep, it's broken. The thing that's absolutely off, I think I'll have to message them and say, and get it replaced. It smells really nice. Oh my goodness, it went on the book. But look, it actually came right off the thing. Yeah, I'll definitely message them about it because it was in the packaging, like it wasn't like it was open. That is really weird. Let me know if that's happened to you. That's really bad. Okay. And then the last thing is the beauty bonus. And it is Catherine Malandrino Style de Paris perfume. And I will smell it. if I can open it without spilling it. Mmm. Oh my goodness. That smells absolutely gorgeous. And this retails as £50. Obviously this is the sample, but the proper size is £50. And it smells really, really nice. So yeah, that's the box, or rather the bag. It was really, really good, but except for that lipstick breaking. I'm really disappointed in that. So that's two disappointing things today, but different boxes. The first one was with the pink parcel sending me the wrong products. Instead of towels, they gave me tampons. And now this, that my lipsticks broke. It came out. So, it's just really, really disappointing. I don't know, I've just been in a really bad mood today because Morgan's been kind of annoying. And I've been ill. And it's just, I'm in a really bad mood. I don't like being ill. And I just, that is really nice colour too. So hopefully I'll message them now and see what they can do. If they send me a replacement, then that'd be great. Oh, so annoying. Bye.